All right, we are working on weighing. We've weighed about half of them so far. It's working great. Watch as we do one. All right, so what I'm doing here is opening up a gate and moving some boards out of the way that we use to kind of encourage them along the alleyway to the chute. You can see well, I guess I should also comment here, you can actually hear some of the guys that have already been through the weighing process just off camera. And one decides to come on camera right here. They've basically already been through, so they're watching the activities and eating grass. Watch as this goes kind of bad here. Yeah, one's trying to go under the board, and he finally decides, yep, I'm going to go under the board. And he knocks all the pegs loose on the panel. There's two panels that are attached there where I'm at right now. And he knocks the pegs loose, and I'm having to put those back together and everything here. So, could have been a lot worse than it actually was, but they just decided to go under the board for whatever reason that moment. They never do this on the electric fence, surprisingly. I guess the electric fence has a little more repercussion to it whenever they touch it. So, yep, finally get the panels back together, and we're going to give this another try. Let's go, buddy. One of you at a time, please. Not both of you at a time. So now I have two of them trying to go into the chute at once. It just seems these three that we have trying to work them through the chute here is just causing all kinds of trouble. But finally, one backs off and one goes onto the scale here. I capture the weight and then let him loose. He thinks he's going to back out, but he's like, no, let's go forward and get out of here. I'm tired of this whole weighing thing. And now I'm entering that weight into a spreadsheet that we're keeping track of so that we can calculate our average daily gain and stuff like that, which helps us just plan things a little bit better. So, yep, a lot of fun. This continues on, and we weigh the rest of them and capture those weights, and things end up working really well. Just a little bit of excitement along the way.